Hey, this is sort of an add-on to my previous video um, about what we choose to hold in memory. I've certainly covered this, how I experienced this ever since I was a little boy, but the previous video sort of highlighted that. When you're loading, remember Trilogy, Morpheus with Neo? We can load anything you want, right? And you can get into the holographic inserts, right? Programmable matter, Ethernet, the ethers. Sometimes what I do is I insert certain words that can be cross-referenced in circulation libraries, bioplasma circulation libraries, of what's held in cellular memory that is cross-indexed through artificial intelligence that's holding all this stuff in memory, right? So if I've had an experience 20 years ago and you've had a similar experience, and I am using the English language, which is numbers and energies, to describe what I experienced, and you've had a similar experience, then you translated that experience the way that you experienced it in frequency and vibration modulation versus how I might have experienced it in frequency and vibration modulation. Much like I described how 5 of us could all be sitting on the beach at the same location, watching the sun come up over the eastern horizon down the road here, right? And we can use technology to measure the vibration and the frequency modulation of the auric energy field of all 5 of us, what we're experiencing in frequency modulation and vibration, the experience of watching the sunrise, right? So that would be based on what? The identity, the operator of the vehicle or the operator of the software, the biotech operator, right, of a radio set. Experiencing programmable matter codes, Ethernet codes, codecs. The language of math is codes. That's when you get into the encryption, decryption, locks and keys. The key maker. You know, they were after the key maker. Opening doors, Aldous Huxley, doors of perception, perception vibration. The speed, the actual spin rotation speed of the Merkaba. In consciousness that is running the circle of light, right? The sphere, the ball, the sphere of light. Cosmic level suns, eternal sunlight, eternal source of energy. So when you start at that still point in my heart and my soul at 4 years of age, sometimes the way I describe this to others, because of the way that I wouldn't use this example, okay, in 1955 when I'm 4 years of age to explain this to another 6-year-old or even my parents, because they weren't working with computer language yet, were they?